Just about 7:45 this Sunday morning, taking a live look right now at a beautiful Mount Katahdin. I mean, really, Mike, we got so lucky with this Memorial Day weekend. I can't remember the last holiday weekend, we've had that was nice. Obviously Labor Day, but July 4th and Memorial Day weekend last year were rainy, not very enjoyable. So this one we got pretty lucky.
This is still the craziest statistic to me. Christmas of 2020 in Bangor is warmer than July 4th, 2021.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, so.
What the heck? Okay.
Yeah, if that puts
so
anything
weird.
into perspective of how our holiday weekends went last year.
Yeah.
Very low bar for Memorial Day to really rise and shine, but today is just going to be like a top 10 weather day. People have been out and about already. I've had some great pictures sent in to me, including this one right here from Rick. Rick sent this one in from Appleton at 4:57 a.m. The sun was just cresting over the horizon. A nice and early sunrise. That's the time of year we'll see sunrises around this point in time for the next, 8 weeks or so, give or take. Snow this season was unimpressive if you lived in southern Maine. Even with the big blizzard that happened at the end of January, we really didn't end up with much after that. It was kind of quiet. 44.1 inches for the season in Portland, 2 feet below normal. Bangor was much closer to normal, but still came in slightly under. Caribou came in slightly above, but a lot of the deficit in snowfall explains why things have been so dry at the coastline. We've got normally dry conditions on the drought monitor starting to appear, so we could use some showers here. And I do think the weather is going to become a bit more unsettled as we get into next week. Plus, we've got some abnormally dry regions appearing near Moosehead Lake with this moderate drought continuing across northwestern Maine. So we really need some showers to help replenish some of the groundwater and things like that. Satellite and radar right now looking great. Some clouds down east, not a huge issue. I still think everybody gets to enjoy partly to mostly sunny skies today, with temperatures climbing into the mid-70s by lunchtime, and shortly thereafter we will see some towns hit the 80s. At the coastline, though, a quick sea breeze starts to pick up as we get into about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. That could make things just a little bit cooler in the evening. Temperatures everywhere tonight will begin to fall back. Front approaches from the northeast, not something we see all that often. Backdoor cold front is what we call that. This is going to bring thick clouds to the county tonight, and these actually sink south toward Bangor as the day goes on tomorrow. South of the mountains, still thinking a lot of us make it into the 80s. But then as we get into the afternoon and evening, clouds begin to thicken up a little bit. And then by Tuesday, we watch this front actually sink on through. So here's our backdoor front right here. Cooler air settles in along with this front, as does the threat for some showers. On the other side of all this, though, hotter weather is still trying to build in. I don't think it's going to make it to us, though. In fact, this front is going to move back down through southern New England as we get into Wednesday, too. So that all gets pushed away from us. Warm front tries to move north. Unlikely. Could be some stronger thunderstorms along this front on Wednesday, well off to our west. Locally, it's going to be cool, it's going to be cloudy, it's going to be rainy, and this unsettled cooler pattern is likely locked in as we get into the first weekend of June, too. Below average temperatures back in the forecast. Do I think it's going to be chilly? Probably not. We're not talking about daytime high temperatures in the 50s or anything like that, but certainly running below normal for this time of year, where most of us are going to be in the low to mid 60s. Normally, we would see highs in the low 70s. So that's kind of what's on tap as we get into the first week of June. I'd soak in as much sunshine today and tomorrow as you can if you like this kind of weather, because it could be a little while till it returns. Seas today 3 to 4 feet, west wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest as the day goes on. 52 degrees in Casco Bay right now. Cooler north tomorrow because of that front. Backdoor front rolls through Tuesday with it some showers. Same idea Wednesday. Cooler and unsettled. Mostly cloudy for Thursday. We get briefly mild on Friday. I think that both inland and at the coastline we could see some 70s at the end of the week. And then likely cooler heading into next Saturday. 65, mostly cloudy. Chloe, I said it before, I'll say it again. If we can keep the showers away, 65 this time of year is cool, but not like too bad.
Exactly. And we'll take what we have this weekend. I heard, Mike, you might get out to do a little grilling today.
Oh, that's top priority.
Yeah.
How could it not be on a day like this?
Exactly.